Hey guys, this is Chad Lee again with MetalWorks with an update on the 63 Riviera build. The main focus of this video here is Tom getting all the seats mounted in the Riviera, primarily the rear seat. And then the rest of the focus is getting a modern throttle body to work with the factory air cleaner. So I got a bunch of footage for you guys to check out, so let's jump into it.
Here you can see Tom has fabricated up a couple of mounts for the rear seat. Here you can see Tom's working on filling in unnecessary holes on the firewall, working on a patch there, and that large centerpiece there in the middle of the firewall. He removed this piece here. Alright guys, you can see the smoothed off firewall. And Tom also removed the Buick badge off the trunk. Alright guys, you can see that they've got the LS block mocked up in the Riviera. So this is the intake it's going to be running, and that throttle body. So it's going to be a multi-port fuel injection pulling the air in through the throttle body. And Tom is over here modifying the factory air cleaner to work with that new throttle body.
Alright guys, that's where things stand on the Riviera build. Take care.